In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L360 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you've opened it, please navigate here at the search bar and type for Epson L360 printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'd be able to see a list of results. Now please proceed to the first one, which is enter epson.com. Click on it. The moment you click on that link, you would be navigated to a new page where you can get to see the printer driver. So please wait until you'll get to see the drop down menu below where you can manually select the operating system. Kindly wait for a while first. Once it's here, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and click on the go button so that you can refresh the page again and wait until you would be able to see a list of software printer driver. So we just have to wait until everything would be showing up here before we continue. Once here, please proceed to the drivers, click on that link, and there you can see the printer driver for that specific number or the model, which is the Epson L360. Click on the download button, and eventually you'll get this new page where you can see this license agreement. Click on accept so that you can start the downloading process. Now, in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then wait until it would be completed. Once completed, you can navigate to the top right corner. You can see their download. I can click on this L360, go with the file folder, and kindly wait until you would be redirected to this new location where you can manually select the printer driver. Okay, so here you can make a right click on that one and go with the scan, close the windows, and from that you need to make a right click here and go with the paste. Okay. So from this one, you need to extract this file, or so just by that, I mean, just have to double tap to extract or unzip it, or either make a right click and use your WinRAR tool or program to extract this one. So go with the WinRAR option, wait until it will be revealed here. Once it's here, go with extract to L360 and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Now, once it's here, we will now move on to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. Now, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now, here at the settings, please proceed to the left side and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Click on this one. Once you click on it, you need to scroll down here and go with printers and scanners. And there you can see add device, click on it. And kindly wait until you get to reveal another option where you can find a printer by other options. Now, once it's here, click on add manually. And this would appear. So go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next button. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Then go with the next button here and then go with have disk and you need to click browse. So by that, you need to proceed to the desktop, scroll down here and proceed to the extracted file. Please double tap again, double tap, and then there you can see the driver. Click on it, click on open and click on the OK button here. And eventually you'd be able to see that one. Go with the next button and please rename it. In my case, I'll be renaming it into Epson L360 as the printer name. So you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be finished. Okay, so once you are done, click on the next button here. And go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L360 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.